Welcome to Pathfinders Trainings, market analysis. Those who are seeing a market analysis for the first time on my channel, I would request you go back two or three market analysis back to understand the context in which I'll be talking to you. Let's go back here, here, and make sure you don't miss out my live trading session that was there on the election result day, and that's where I very clearly said that after the elections are over, the market forces will take over, and it's a very expensive market with the bank Nifty at about 60 plus and Nifty at 29 plus, and a correction is now due. So let's see. So this was the swing high. Let's rework on the events. This was the high of the market before the election results. This was the pre election result exit poll predicting BJP will go up. And this was the candle just before the election results. And this is the election result candle. And this was very clearly saying that the selling will start now. And this is where we started going aggressively short onto the market. Every analysis, every video I have, I have said this is the last high that you are seeing. And you see, this is how. So these were the levels we had marked at that time: a gap closing, then a lower level here, and then this level where the flag started going on the upward side. And this is the level you might see by the end of this year. So at that time, I saw a lot of skeptics. People said, no, the new government has come, Nifty will become double. But in the end, it all is fundamentals and technicals. If you master them, that's where the market eventually goes. Let's see the movement of the market. It tried to have a breakdown. And these three candles were very important. These three candles, which were saying this move is finishing. And now you see, we see clear-cut pattern. We try to retrace a golden Fibonacci, two drops down, coming down towards same pattern again, a big drop, close the gaps, came down on this level, again the same pattern, tried to move a little up after breaking it. But see, this is where it has come today, and we see gradually the market is moving at this point here. The P of the market was 29. And now also, even at this level, if I remember right, it is, I think, 26, 26, not 27 now. It is 26 now. And a P of 20 would be healthy for the market to re-enter. Are we in a bull market or a bear market? We are in a retracement of a bull market. We are in the retracement of a bull market. And let's hope this level of 10,000 is not broken. Because if the level of 10,000 is broken, then you are definitely in a bear market. And what we see here is out of the 1,700 stocks of the National Stock Exchange, the NSE that you are seeing here, almost 85% of them are below the 200-day moving average, indicating that we are in a very solid bear market if we take out the top 50 stocks of the market, which is the Nifty. We are very much in a bear market, and I think there are, a lot of stocks that are coming down at attractive levels. If you remember on the website, I was talking about Yes Bank, a few months ago. If you're looking at the Yes Bank here, so let's go here and have a look at that post of Yes Bank that I had. This was on 25th of June. Today is 22nd of August, 2 months ago. And at that time, it was at about 110. And I said the monthly double bottom for this stock is around 60. For a patient investor, 75 is a good price to buy, and 60 is where it can come. Let's have a look at Yes Bank now. And today we bought some Yes Bank. Looks a very attractive buy to me. And we see Yes Bank today has come down to a 56 rupees level. Nice buying. The book value of Yes Bank is 105. So at this moment, it is available at half its book value. Management is good. Just one or two good quarters, and you will see it moving on the upside here. So, you know, my mentor has taught me you always buy the fear and sell the greed. Be very particular about your levels because eventually it is those levels that will come. For example, another stock I would like to see is Reliance. This is Reliance. On the news and the announcement by Mukesh Ambani, it jumped up, but this is also slowly coming down towards 1175. So the market is correcting. The top 50 stocks are correcting now, but majority of the stocks have already corrected. What I'm saying is majority of the stocks have already corrected. Look at SBI, and SBI has this is the correction in SPI. It has already come down from 378 rupees level to a 268 rupees level and giving you attractive prices to buy. Now, the key is people who did not get out at the top, they will be in pain, but we sold everything. Go back to my analysis. Way back at 11,800, we sold everything. And now, I think on Diwali time, there will be a lot of stocks that are available at very attractive prices, and you might want to start building your portfolio. And I always say you learn your intraday trading and use it to build your portfolio. If you have any stocks that you want to know about, there is a very simple method I have. You can go on my website, pathfinderstrainings.com. That's my website here. And on the website, you can, there is a section called Check Your Portfolio. There's a section called Check Your Portfolio. Example here, right? You go to pathfinderstrainings.com. That's my website. And if you have any stock you want to know about, just click here on Check Your Portfolio. Write down the names of the stocks you want to know about, you want analysis about, and my team will get back to you, and you will get a very brief analysis of the stock. If you want to buy something for your portfolio, you can always put it here. So this was Nifty, and looking at the Bank Nifty. If I look at Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is also in a correction mode. Bank Nifty is also in a correction mode. This was even more expensive than Nifty. So correction has been more steep. And I think the correction in this has just started. And the nearby level for Bank Nifty is this place where it started going up from, which is 24,438. And it will not take much time before it will reach this level. So take care. These are attractive times to build a portfolio, but more correction I think is due. In Nifty, 10,600 looks to be the nearby level. But if I look at the weekly chart, this is the level that we are looking for. But till here, we are in a retracement of a bull market. This is not a bear market. This is retracement of a bull market. What is this? Retracement of bull market. But if it breaks below this level of 10,000, then you are in a mild bear market. You are in a mild bear market, and please pray that it does not break the level of 8,000. So hopefully, after the GST pain is over and our companies start making some profits, we will again be back on the upward movement of the indexes. But for the moment, the direction that I'm seeing is a downward direction. You want to learn it, there are in Pathfinders, you can attend my introductory workshops, you can attend my main trainings, and if you want to build a portfolio, you want to learn long-term portfolio building, just contact my team. Thank you very much for listening, and very soon I'll come with one more analysis session.